Welcome to 𝐕𝐢𝐝 Industry Company. Today, we are pushing the limits of production efficiency with our 60 meter per minute high-speed stud and track roll forming machine, the ultimate solution for high-volume drywall profile manufacturing. Efficiency starts at the beginning. Our double-header uncoiler allows for seamless coil changes, ensuring your production line keeps running even during material reloading. Built for stability at extreme speeds, the main forming section features heavy-duty iron cast stands and a robust gearbox transmission system. We use premium D2 tool steel rollers for maximum wear resistance. This line also includes an integrated embossing station to increase profile strength and grip, followed by a precision straightener to guarantee a flawless finish every time. Watch the power of 60 meters per minute. To maintain this incredible velocity, the machine utilizes a high-precision flying punch and cutting system. This allows for continuous punching and shearing on the fly, eliminating the need to stop or slow down. This is non-stop, high-precision engineering in motion. When producing at 60 meters per minute, manual handling is no longer an option. Our high-speed conveyor system is specifically designed to sync perfectly with the machine's velocity, rapidly transporting finished studs and tracks away from the cutting zone to prevent any backlogs. As the profiles reach the end of the line, the intelligent auto-stacking system takes over. Utilizing precision sensors, the system identifies each piece, aligning them with absolute consistency. The automated arms then neatly layer the profiles into uniform bundles. This system is fully programmable via the HMI, allowing you to set specific counts per stack based on your client's requirements. By automating this critical stage, we eliminate the physical strain and safety risks associated with manual labor, while ensuring that the quality and straightness of the profiles are preserved. This non-stop stacking cycle is the key to maintaining a high-volume workflow, allowing your facility to operate at peak efficiency around the clock without ever slowing down the roll format. Finally, the neatly stacked bundles transition directly into our fully integrated auto packaging system. To ensure safe transit, this station automatically applies high-strength strapping tightly around each bundle. By eliminating manual binding, this system drastically reduces labor costs and guarantees uniform, secure packaging for every batch. The finished profiles are now instantly ready for forklift transport. This is a true end-to-end automated solution. Experience the future of drywall profile production. Contact 𝐕𝐢𝐝 Industry Company today. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more industrial innovations.